Welcome back, slappers. Slap like now. Just playing. Okay. Welcome back. So, I just finished watching Ebony's Curly TV, and I was sad because her faux bang look didn't work because her hair was too long. As you know, my hair is fairly long as well, but when it dries, I've got major shrinkage. Therefore, I've come up with a way that I think might make this hairstyle work. Let's get started. First, I'm going to part my hair into two sections, horizontally. Okay, just like this. A horizontal part. Alright, don't worry about if it's straight or not. I'm going to tie the back half off so it just doesn't get in my way. Alright, so we're just doing that so it doesn't get in our way. Now I'm going to section off the hair that's going to serve as my bang. Starting from the back, I'm going to do a side part. Okay, that looks good. And then we'll go over here on this side and create another side part, starting from the back. Okay, so now we're left with two side pieces and one middle piece that's going to serve as our bang. What I've figured out is if you take this part right here and you smooth it back and make it into a ponytail, it kind of shortens your hair when you flip the ponytail over to create your bang. So instead of doing, like 3 or 4 twists and then leaving hair out, I'm just gonna make a ponytail. This is probably the easiest way to do it. So here's my ponytail. I'm gonna tie it fairly tight. I'm going to make a loop and kind of gather my hair where I think the bang should be. Okay, so that's going to be a pretty thick bang, but we'll figure that out. All right, so now that we have our hair, it's pretty much like a loop back here and you're holding it secure. You're going to want to take your side pieces. Let me see if I can just tame this bang really quick. Okay, so you're going to want to take your side pieces and connect them to the loop you just made. Okay, I'm going to make sure you gather all of the hair. Take your other side piece, grab it. Now that we have the side pieces connected, we're going to take our scrunchie. I've got this nice 3-pack of scrunchies that I bought. We're going to take a scrunchie and just secure the whole thing, okay? So this is me remembering to open the scrunchie package. Now let's bring it back. You will need 1 hair tie, 1 scrunchie, and 2 or 3 bobby pins to achieve this look. Once again, this is how you should place your hair before you add the scrunchie. I've noticed there's less tension on your scalp if you just make 1 ponytail and flip it over, instead of making a bun with leave out. If you're anything like me, having my hair up for too long gives me a headache. And remember, parting your hair for a deeper bang and flipping your ponytail over to the front is to reduce the length of the faux bang. If you agree, press like. If you disagree, rant about it in the comments. Alright, so now that we're ready to add our scrunchie, I want to be clear. You do not have to twist the scrunchie around this part twice. The scrunchie should be, your hair should be thick enough so that the scrunchie stays secure in place. And I bought this one's kind of small, so hopefully that'll help keep the tension. So now we're just going to tie our hair up, put the scrunchie on. Okay, so there we go. All of the hair is through the scrunchie. Okay. And I guess you can see there is still a little bun part here, but we're just going to play with the 2 side sections to get that covered up a little bit. So the scrunchie is up here and the bangs are out like this. So we're halfway there, okay? So now what we want to do is put the bangs in place. So make sure you have 2 bobby pins so we can secure the bangs. So I'm going to push my hair forward. Whoops. I'm going to pull the bang forward a little bit so you can see the scrunchie. And then I'm going to pin my hair, well, the bangs, on the sides so that they lay down so you can still see the scrunchie, I guess. So there's one side. Okay, so basically we are pinning the bobby pins to the top, to the side part of your head. So the bangs, they stay in place. Great. If you need a third one, I see that my hair is kind of poofing up. If you need a third one, you can add a third bobby pin there too, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. Now that that's in place, you can just play with your bangs to see how you want them to fall. I haven't had bangs since maybe high school, and that was almost 8 years ago. I kind of like my bangs to be thick, you know, in the front. All right, so now that that's done, we're going to make sure our hair tie is in place and make sure all of your hair is completely covering the bun that you made. I guess you could make it, you know, like play with it, like make it a cute little like high poof bun like Ebony had hers in her video. But I was going for more of a half up, half down kind of look. I'm going to take the rest of my hair down and kind of see how it looks. You can see the hair tie now, which is kind of cool. And I've noticed there's not that much like tension on your hair since you didn't tie the hair tie 1,000 times around your head. And it feels kind of light. I'd say it's pretty secure. It kind of has a little more volume, a little more bounce, you know? And so now I think we're ready for some glamour shots. Gonna throw some earrings on and a little lip, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. All right, so I have to agree with Ebony on this one. My bangs actually are a little too long as well. But the method of placing the bang for me, I think that was a lot easier. It's not going to be bothering me while I'm out and about today, you know? Like I said before, it's really light on your head. So I'm gonna give you a 360 right now so you can see how it all looks. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on a faux bang look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Maybe this is a cool look to present to them coming out of quarantine. Thanks for watching. This is Lydia Ashley signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.